morning guys, I'm Aidan from DK2 and today's video is on the CLK320 3 litre diesel from about 224 brake horsepower. With the stage 1 we're looking for about 260 brake horsepower, so that is pretty decent gains and really good for a diesel. So let's see what it does. So guys, we're just going out in the CLK320. It's now mapped, and Shane's basically going to show us what it's made of, basically. Oh, the torque is mental. Literally, only on really soft throttle as well, guys. Like even on really soft throttle, as I can see, like Shane putting his foot down a little bit, you can still feel the car like proper trying to pull you back. What?
Oh Jesus Christ! It's easy to handle. Fucking super. It is fast.
Guys, gets off. And that is it, guys. What a sleeper this car is now. You wouldn't realise looking at this car that it has the kind of power and pure grunt of torque that it has now. So if you want, like him, a stage 1 putting on your diesel or petrol car, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.